how to synchronize animation from one view to another with matched geometry effect modifier in SwiftUI. With matched geometry effect modifier in SwiftUI, how to synchronize animation from one view to another with matched geometry effect in SwiftUI. So welcome back. Let's talk about geometry effect modifier in SwiftUI. So first of all, then we are going to create a SwiftUI view. Then we are going to create a SwiftUI. We can use the matched geometry effect example. Match geometry effect example. We're gonna create on this. So first of all, we're gonna create on this view. If you have the same view appearing in the two different part of your view hierarchy and want to animate between them, create a view, then you should use SwiftUI match geometry effect. So first of all, we're gonna create on this state property at that state private var is sleeved. Suppose this is sleeved is equal to false. Initial value this is the false. This is type of bool. What is state wrapper? What is state? State a state property wrapper that can read and write a value managed by SwiftUI. That can read and write value managed by SwiftUI. Okay. We're gonna create on this vstack and we're gonna apply this condition is sleeved. Sorry, we're gonna create on this if condition if is sleeved true. Otherwise we can condition with image. We're gonna create on this layout. May this is a parrot second. Resume on this application. We're gonna apply the dot resizable method on this frame. We're gonna apply this frame height and width. This is a 200 width and 200 height. Remove on this alignment. Remove. We're gonna check on this assets image, this parrot second, and we're gonna apply this parrot second image, same image on this asset parrot second. If sleeved is true, we can apply the parrot second image, and we're gonna apply this spacers. Sorry, spacer. Suppose we're gonna apply this spacer. We're gonna apply this height dot frame, and this is the apply the height. Suppose this is a 44 height. Apply on this spacer. We're gonna create on this text, and we're gonna apply this text. This is a parrot first image. We're gonna apply this font. Suppose this is the font is headline. Sorry for not applying on this font is title theme. We're gonna apply this headline font, and we'll apply this color. This is a blue color. We're gonna apply this font weight. This is a heavy. We're gonna apply the font weight heavy. We're gonna create on this with tag. So we're gonna create on this else statement. Else, first of all is else. We can create on this text. This is a parrot second, parrot first, and we can use a parrot second image, and this is a second. We're gonna apply this heading. Sorry, we're gonna apply this. Suppose this is a headline, and this is a weight. This light is in heavy head weight, and we're gonna apply this color. This is a purple color. We're gonna assign this purple color. Okay, we're gonna use a purple color, and we're gonna create on this spacer. Suppose this is we're gonna create on this spacer. We're gonna create on this space. We're gonna apply this height and width dot frame height 44. We're gonna apply this height, and we're gonna create on this image. We're gonna second image this assets create on this launch screen bg. Suppose which have an image on this launch screen bg, and we're gonna assign on this launch screen bg. We're gonna apply this resizable method dot resizable dot frame. We're gonna apply this 200 width and 200 height. remove this alignment on this image, and we're gonna apply this corner radius 100, and we're gonna apply this corner radius this 100. And then we're gonna run on this project. This is a parrot second image. Second image is true, the fourth statement is true, and we're gonna create a fourth. We can select statement is fourth. We can initial value of fourth, and we're gonna create on this vstack dot apply on tab gesture on the we're gonna apply this on tab gesture on vstack with animation is slept is dot toggle. We're gonna set on this property sleep dot. We're gonna resume on this application is sleep dot toggle. We're gonna use sleep dot toggle the parrot first image toggle. We're gonna use the parrot first image is toggle, and we're gonna apply this geometry effect in geometry. So we're gonna apply this matched geometry effect. We're gonna apply this matched geometry effect. We're gonna create in this namespace. We can use of spacing and we can use of namespace name space private var animation. We're gonna create the namespace private for animation. So what is namespace? Namespace in SwiftUI, a dynamic property type that allows access to a namespace defined by the persistent identity to the object geometry and perfect. Suppose we're gonna example of this view. This is a view, and we're gonna apply this conditions. We're gonna create on this condition dot geometry effect. Set this is the image dot geometry effect. We're gonna set on this id. Suppose this id is image. We're gonna apply this image, and this is the namespace animation. Namespace we can achieve identity on this image, and we're gonna apply this namespace identity image on this image. For image we're gonna apply on this text. So this we're gonna apply this dot geometry matched geometry effect. Matched geometry effect. This is the title. We're going to remove this caps lock title and this animation. Okay, and we're going to apply on the same purpose on this dot matched effect id. This is the text title, and we can name it animation. Create on this namespace, and we're going to apply this images dot matched geometry effect. This is the image, and name is animation. Okay, we're going to apply this animation. So we can resume on this project, and we're going to apply on this animation geometry effect. What is match geometry effect? That is the instance method define group of views with synchronized geometry using identify and namespace that you provide. Identify and namespace that you provide. Group of views. We're gonna run on this project. Resume this. Say we're gonna use animations. Animations apply on this parrot second and parrot first. We're gonna use of animation. Suppose we're gonna create on this animations. So superb example of vstack apply on this animation. So we're gonna set on this animation. Suppose this is we're gonna apply of the zoomed methods. We're gonna apply of this zoomed. Remove on this select. Suppose we can use the zoomed is zoomed is equal to false. Suppose we're gonna create on this frame var computer. We're gonna create the computer property frame custom frame which is type of CG CG float, and this you can set on this is zoomed true. This is frame is 300, otherwise for this frame is 60. Frame is, suppose this is a 60, we can modify on this your code. Frame is 60, okay. And we're gonna create a zoom property, and we're gonna assign on this frame custom frame. We can assign on this custom frame, okay. And we're gonna apply on this custom frame image. We're gonna apply on this custom frame, and we're gonna apply on this custom frame, okay. We're gonna apply on this frame, and we're gonna modify on your code. Suppose this is a modify on your code vstack. We're gonna assign on this spacer, and this is we're gonna create on this vstack, and we're gonna create on this hstack, and this is in this properties hstack. On this property on this is hstack, we're gonna remove on this is slipped properties. So hstack image, assign on this image padding. We're gonna apply this corner radius is 12.0. Suppose this is a to corner radius is 12.0 corner radius. Apply on this corner radius is 12.0, okay. And match geometry effect apply. So we can remove on this match geometry effect, okay. And we're gonna apply this zoom properties. We're gonna apply these conditions. So if is zoomed, otherwise is zoomed is equal to false. If zoomed is equal to false, so we're gonna execute on this property text. Copy on this text property, and command as we're gonna assign on this text. This is parrot first image, and this is a font headlines, okay. We're gonna assign on this text. We're gonna apply this padding. Suppose this we're gonna apply this padding dot. We're gonna apply this padding. Suppose this is a dot top padding. Assign on this top padding dot is zoomed true. So we're gonna assign on this padding is 40. Other false is we're gonna apply this padding is 0. We will not apply on this padding. Not apply. Suppose this is one apply on this padding is not apply on this padding is images. Okay, we're gonna assign on this padding. It's zoomed equal to fox text apply, and we're gonna apply on this text property geometry effect animation. Command X. We're gonna apply on this geometry effect animations, and we're gonna apply the geometry effect animation title animations, okay. When I assign on this hstack, we remove on this spacer, and we're gonna create on this else statement. We're gonna apply on this condition if condition is zoomed is equal to true, otherwise is zoomed equal to true. So we're gonna turn on the text parrot second parrot. We're gonna apply this text second parrot, okay. We're gonna apply this text second parrot, and we're gonna assign on this animation geometry effect. Suppose this is a purple color text on heavy and headline. We're gonna apply on this. Suppose this text, we're gonna apply on this padding dot padding. We're gonna assign on this padding. Suppose which have assigned on this padding text, and this is bottom 60 padding dot bottom. We're gonna apply this 60 padding. Gonna apply on this text, okay. We're gonna use of text padding apply, and we're gonna remove on this spacer, and we can use of images and not apply on this images. We can remove on this images, okay. We can remove on this images, and this on tab, this is the use of vstack, and this is a vstack. We're gonna apply the strip dot toggle, and we're gonna be is zoom dot toggle with animation is zoomed toggle, and we're gonna apply this animation. Suppose this is the animation dot linear, sorry, dot linear. We're gonna assign this duration, suppose it's 2 seconds on this linear duration. Okay, we're gonna apply this 2 second. We're gonna resume on this project. We're gonna resume on this project. We can check on this UI. Okay, we're gonna resume on this project, check on the, and we're gonna apply this frame and backgrounds on this vstack, sorry, on tab gestures. Assign on this tab gesture. We're gonna apply on this on tab gesture. Suppose this is apply on this on tab gestures dot padding, and we're gonna apply of the support dot frame on this tab gesture. We're gonna apply this frame. This is, we can assign this frame max width, max width, max width dot infinity. Apply on the infinity width. We can assign on this infinity width, and we're gonna apply on this, suppose which have a frame height dot, gonna apply this frame, so dot frame height. Suppose this is a 40 height, assign on this 40 height. Okay, and we're gonna use of current dot background color. Apply on this background color, and color dot, suppose which have in this color dot purple color, and we're gonna use a purple color, and we're gonna assign on this is a purple color background. We're gonna assign the foreground color. This is a foreground color. Suppose this is a color dot white color, color dot white color. This is a foreground color dot black and white. We're gonna apply on the foreground color. Other condition on this color, suppose which have a purple color, and we're gonna assign on this title color. Suppose this title foreground color white color, title foreground color this white, and title foreground color this is a white color, white color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this top spacer, and we can run on this project. Resume the, and apply the first image. We can resume on this application, this stone, and this is a 2 second apply on this linear linear animation. The 2 seconds, suppose this is 4 second apply. Okay, and you can run on resume. So you can assign this smallest animation on this match geometry effect. So match geometry effect. Okay, match geometry effect on tab gesture. This is a vstack, and match geometry effect apply on this text. We can assign this text parrot first image, change on this first image, and parrot second image. We're gonna change on this color. Suppose we have change on this color is properties true. We can assign on this properties true. We're gonna change on this white color, not white color. This is a red color. Suppose this is a red color, red color. Okay, and we're gonna run on this project. We can assign on this red color, and we're gonna set on this. Suppose this is a not apply on this background purple color, and which have apply on this color white. We're gonna assign this white, and even suppose this 1.0. Suppose this 0.12. We're gonna assign this 0.12. Suppose we're gonna apply 0. We can assign on this first image apart, and we're gonna apply on this spacers vstack. We're gonna apply on this with the bottom command X. We're gonna apply this vstack the bottom. We're gonna assign on this vstack spacers spacer. Okay, we're gonna use our spacer is images, and we can set on this image. We're gonna apply this smallest image in Swift UI. Okay, we can good dynamic UI in Swift UI. Parrot images, and we're gonna apply on this parrot images, and not images, parrot second image. Superb and good animation in Swift UI create. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy your disjoint property. So namespace a dynamic property type that allows access to a namespace defined by the persistent identity of the object containing, for example, view. State, you can use of state, a property wrapper that can read and write a value managed by SwiftUI. If you have the okay, and we want what is match geometry fact ID when identifying animation namespace. That is the instance method. Define a group of view with synchronized geometry using an identity and namespace that you can provide. Okay, and we're gonna use of vstack space. We're gonna use of vstack. Okay, we're gonna use of vstack. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy our designs and top design. Suppose this is a 0.63 and suppose this is 1 not applied 0.4, not applied 0.4. You can set on this animation UI. Okay, you can enjoy your parrot first images. You can assign on this stack, this assign on this stack and stack. Okay, we're going. Thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy.